How do you use a valve stem core tool? Have you ever found yourself with a flat tire and wondered how to fix it? Knowing how to use a valve stem core tool can be a game changer for teen drivers. This handy tool helps you manage tire pressure and make necessary repairs. Let's break down how to use it step by step. First, prepare the tire. Start by removing the valve cap from the tire's valve stem. It is important to ensure the tire is deflated or has very low pressure before you remove the valve core. This prevents a rush of air that can catch you off guard. Next, engage the valve core. The valve stem core tool has a hollow center with notches that fit onto the valve core. Place the tool over the valve stem and push down firmly. This will grip the valve core securely, making it easier to remove. Now it's time to remove the valve core. Turn the tool counterclockwise to unscrew it. Keep steady pressure on the valve stem base to prevent the core from popping out suddenly. Once it feels loose, pull the valve core out completely. With the valve core removed, the tire will deflate fully. This is your chance to perform any needed maintenance. You can repair the tire, replace the valve core, or even clean the valve stem. Some valve stem core tools come with a reamer tip that helps clean out debris inside the valve stem, which can prevent air leaks. After you have completed your maintenance, it's time to reinstall the valve core. Insert it back into the valve stem hole. Use the tool to screw it in by turning clockwise until it feels snug. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the valve core or stem. Finally, check for leaks. Inflate the tire to the correct pressure and listen for any hissing sounds that might indicate a leak. If you hear anything, you may need to replace or tighten the valve core. Here are a few additional tips for teen drivers. Always remove the valve core slowly to avoid sudden air releases. Keep your valve core tool clean and store it safely for future use. Learning to use this tool is a practical skill that helps with changing tires and maintaining proper tire pressure, which is essential for safe driving. If you ever need to replace a valve stem, remember that the valve core must be removed first to deflate the tire completely. Also, some valve stem core tools have adjustable tips to fit different valve types, so ensure your tool matches your tire valves. Using a valve stem core tool is a simple yet important skill that supports tire maintenance and safety for teen drivers. It helps you manage tire pressure, fix flats, and prepare for roadside emergencies with confidence.